Okay, just to prove I can do it, I'm walking 3 dogs at once. Elby's the lead musher, followed up by Miss Toronto and little Miss Emmalou, bringing up the rear. Yeah, with a stick. You know what we have to do with sticks. Don't be shy, Emma, you're not in the picture. Oh, she doesn't like mailboxes. Good girl, Tori. You a happy girl. Let it keep his tail. You're keeping up with Elby. Good girl. Oh, I saw it. It grabbed you. Look at that mother's car behind us.
Sammy's coming right now.
Oh, great, thanks. Okay, let's go back. Maggie and Sandy are coming. See, there they are. Oh, they're way down there. We need the exercise anyway. All right, that's enough of this.